In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks on Monday.com. We're going to walk through all the steps needed to effectively keep track of your projects and make sure everyone is on the same page. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to the Monday.com website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard that contains all your current workspaces and boards. Your next step is to create a new task. To do this, click on the New Task button. Name your task something descriptive, so it's easy for everyone involved to understand at a glance. To organize your tasks comprehensively, add useful columns. These might include the task name, person assigned, status, priority, due date, and notes/updates. These columns provide a structured approach to managing and understanding your tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Once your task is named and fully organized, you'll want to assign it to a team member. Simply click on the People column next to the task and select the person responsible. If the task requires a collaborative approach, you have the option to assign it to multiple people. This way, everyone can see what's required of them and contribute effectively. The subsequent step is to set a deadline for the task. Click on the Date column associated with your task. Here, you can select a specific deadline or a start to end date range. This feature is beneficial to keep everyone focused on the timeline and progress of the task at hand. Adding specific details to tasks is equally crucial. Use the status column to track progress with options such as working on it, done, and more. The priority column helps to indicate the urgency of various tasks, ensuring that everyone's priorities align with team goals. By using the timeline or Gantt view, you can visualize the project duration quite effectively. If needed, you can categorize tasks by adding tags for different projects, departments, or themes. Moreover, you can enhance communication by uploading files directly to tasks, keeping all necessary documentation at your fingertips. To further enhance task management, make use of different views to organize your workflow better. Monday.com offers several views, like the table view for a straightforward list format, the Kanban view for a dynamic drag and drop workflow, and the calendar view to help visualize deadlines at a glance. Timeline or Gantt view allows you to manage project timelines effortlessly, offering a comprehensive overview of your team's progress. Finally, if you have repetitive tasks, take advantage of automation features on Monday.com to save time and streamline processes. Be sure to regularly track the progress of your tasks. This helps ensure everything is on track, deadlines are being met, and any roadblocks are addressed promptly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing tasks effectively on Monday.com. Implement these steps to keep your projects organized, timely, and successful.